Hello to you, my correct country people. How life dey treat all of una, how una dey? So today I don come again to gist una another better story, and today's story na self-care I carry come. Self-care for all my wonderful and beautiful ladies like me. How to take care of your lady. How to take care of your lady. I no need to dey talk everything out. At least when somebody tell you how to take care of your lady, you suppose understand. Or may we just say your private area. How to take care of your private area, which is the down part and the armpit. So for the down part, during your period, during when you dey start your period, the first day when you start your period, when you wan baff, use warm water and salt. Warm water and salt. That's, you go put warm water for a bowl, add salt, then use am wash your lady parts. Wash your lady parts. Bring out any clean the inside, come out. Use the warm water and the salt to wash for the first day. Then the last day when you don finish your period, wash am, clean out all the remaining particles. You know say normally when you finish your period, particles go dey inside, small blood particles go dey inside. Clean am out, still use warm water and salt wash the place for proper hygiene. Na so you go dey take care of the place wey be say you go dey get fresh smell after period. Your body go dey smell fresh. Occasionally use warm water and salt take wash the place, maybe after intercourse or before intercourse. Occasionally use warm water and salt, not every time. Occasionally use warm water and salt. It will help the place maintain balance. The hormonal balance for that area go dey intact. The warm water and the salt when you dey use occasionally, e dey help you. After you shave finish, after shaving, use warm water and salt wash the area. Use warm water and salt wash the area, wash all the parts, because when you don shave finish, your body don open to anything. So as you dey always sit down for the toilet, so if you no dey take care of that place, you go come dey get reaction. As a woman, your body open, you go dey get reaction. So the best thing for you to do, not to dey get reaction or dey irritated, make your skin for that area no dey irritated, use warm water and salt wash that area so that you no go dey irritated. The hormonal balance for that area, the place go dey balance. E go dey okay. You no go create place for infection to dey thrive, or anything, irritation or anything wey go dey make you feel discomfort dey thrive for there. Warm water and salt really dey okay. If you dey use your pants for long period of time and you see say the pants no dey okay again, change am, buy new ones. Always use cotton pants. Cotton pants is the best. E go make that place fit dey breathe in air. Then for your armpit, occasionally always shave, then occasionally use lime scrub your armpit first thing in the morning before you baff. Leave am make e dry, then baff. You go see say you go exfoliate your armpit.